And the guy turned to me and he said, "To whom do I make out this check?" I started playing piano when I was 3. I played organ later after college. I took that up because I needed a job. I was raised a Catholic, and I wanted to work in the Catholic Church in some position in music, you know, as an organist, and I wound up doing it, sort of coming in the back door, you might say. That's the swell, and this is the great.
Oh yeah, he's a great man. A great man. You know, I've never seen him upset, and he's just a very friendly and genuine person that is hard not to like. If you give him a song, he's going to learn it, and he's going to play it, and he's going to sing it too, and he's going to sing it like he sung it for years.
And the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God disclosed.
Look, I've been blind all my life, so that's all I know. The only hindrance about being blind is really societal attitudes and maybe some prejudices here and there. But you try to, you know, balance it out with the people that you meet that you know. Here at the Masonic Home, I have made more friends than I ever made in my whole life. And the choir, I love those guys. They are very special to me. They're like family. Today, abreast these walls so firm and stout, keeping want and trouble out.
As you can tell, I don't have a very good voice, but Michael doesn't care if I make a mistake, so they're all good friends of mine now, really and truly.
And we have your back. We generally have 6 to maybe sometimes 11, depending on, you know, who's able, who wants to come. And we just try to work with what we've got, you know, and that's all we can do. But these guys put their hearts in it, and they do.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I just have loved being with all of you so much, and it's such a blessing to have Michael, and means so much to all of us.
These guys slow down, they retard when I tell them to. And they do it, I just make head motions like that.
Yeah, we have to watch this.
For us, give thanks.
I don't remember the first time I saw him, and you know, somebody had told me he's blind, which is always a surprise, and then you listen and he just goes on and on.
Right.
It's no hindrance at all. I believe that he would be the same person if he could see or if he couldn't see.
Well, actually, I'm a human being, okay? I get dressed like you guys do. I sing, and you guys sing, or I laugh, I cry. I mean, I'm just human. And did those feet of ancient times walk upon England's mountains green? And did that holy Lamb of God on it the path of hills was seen?